Hello students of standard 7 lesson number 2 fractions and decimal. Exercise 2.4 we are going to see division. First sum is 0.4 decimal division. 0.4 divided by 2. So we will write 0.4 upon 2. There is one decimal. So we will remove this one decimal. 4 upon 10. If there is one decimal, one digit after decimal, then we will write 10 and upon 1 upon 2. Here 2 and 4 can be divided easily. 2 1 2 2. 2 upon 10. Write 2. There is one decimal. One digit here 0. We will put one decimal from back side. So point and 0. That means 2.0.2. 0.4 divided by 2. That means answer is 0.2. Now next question. 0.35 divided by this upon 5. There are two digits after decimal. So what will do? 35 upon 100 into 1 by 5. Yes, 1 by 5 is 35 will be divided by 5. 5 is the 5 7. 7 upon 100 is equal to 7. 1 2. Count from back side. 1 2 and decimal. This is the answer. So answer of this is 0.07. Next question is 2.48. Again. 2.48 divided by 4. 2.48. There are two digits after decimal. So we write 100 into 1 by 4. Here 248 is bigger number. So you can divide it to 48. What is that denominator? 4. With 4. 4 6 24 0 0. Bring this here. 4 2 8. That means 0. What is the answer? 4 1 4 62. 62 upon 100. Write 62. How many decimals are there? Zeros are there. 1 2. Count from 1 and 2. 0. This is the answer of this question. 2.04 divided by 4. The answer will be 0.62. 4 6 are 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. Bring this here. 4 2 are 8. 4 1 4 6 2 are 248. There are two zeros. So we will put two decimals from back side. Now next one. 65.4 upon 6. There is only one digit after decimal. So 65 654 upon 10 into 1 by 6. Again 654 will be divided by 6. 654 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 6 0. Bring this 5 here. 6 0 are 0. 5. Bring this 4 here. 6 9 are 54 0 0. So what is the 6 ones are? 609 are 109 upon 10. There is 1 0 at the place of denominator. So we will count one digit on that side and 10.9 is the answer. Okay? This way you can solve the remaining sum in the question number 1 and explaining question number 2. The remaining sums are homework. You can solve in your notebook. I am explaining question number 2. See. Fine. Again divide 4.8 divided by answer of this question. Third question, 0.7 divided by 10, 0.7 divided by 10. So 7 upon 10, we are removing this decimal. We are writing upon 10 into 1 by 10 because there this 10 we are writing divided by 10. 7 to the 7 upon 10 to the 10. Write 7. How many zeros are there? 1, 2. Count 1, 2. This is the answer. Now fourth sum. 33.1 divided by 10. What will do here again? 33.1 upon 10. This 10 we have got here. 331 upon 10. We will remove this one decimal and 1 upon 10 for this. 331 to the 31 upon 10 and the 100. 331. How many zeros are there? 1, 2. Count to the 1, 2. This is the answer of this question. In the same way, remaining sums you can do at home. Okay, I am explaining question number 3. Question number 3 I am explaining. Again find. First question is 2.7 divided by 100. Same method, 2.7 upon 100. 2.7, there is one decimal, so we will write 1 0 here upon 1 by 100 because we are dividing it by 100 and this 10 is coming to remove the decimal. 27 on the 27. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So we write 1000. 27. 1, 2, 3. Count 1, 2, 3. This is the answer of this question. Second question is 0.3 divided by 100. We write 0.3 upon 100 is equal to 3 by 10 upon 1 by 100. 3 1 is 3 upon 1000. We write 3. 100 10 is 1000. We write 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the answer. 0.003 is the answer of this question. In the same way, we can 0.08 divide by 100. 0.78 upon 100. To remove the decimal, we write 78 upon 100 into 1 by 100. So 78 to the 78. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 78. 1, 2, 3. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer of this question. The remaining sums you can do in your notebook. I am explaining question number 4 here. Question number 4, same type of the question is there. Find. First one is 7.9 divided by 1000. In this question number 2 we have seen divide by 10. Here in question number 2 we have divide by 100 and now in question number 3 we have seen divide by 1000. Now 7.9 upon 1000. To remove the decimal 7 we will write 1 0 into 1 by 1000. 79 to the 79 upon 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 79 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer of this question. Next question. Next question is 26.3 divided by 1000. 26.3 upon 1000. 263. We will write 1 0, that means 10. To remove the decimal into 1 by 1000. 263 was the 63. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 1, 2, 3. There is no 4. So this is the answer. Now third sum of this. What is the third sum? 38.53 divided by 1000. 38.53 upon 1000. We get 38.53 0.20 is to remove these two digits, we write 100 into multiply by 1000. Now we write 3853 on 0 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4. There is no fifth place, so that 0 end point. This is the answer of this